Hello people, I've finally concluded my piece here. It was a little too expensive for my taste. I thought that I would spend like 30 like $10 to make this component here, but I spent like $30 in all materials and hand mills, everything. It was a little more expensive than I predicted. First, because I'm not using coolant in this operation. I'm just doing this like you see here, without coolant. The precision was okay. It's like 1,000 of, it's like 2,000 precision accuracy. It's not very accurate yet, but this piece will substitute this white one here. I will substitute it by this one. So that's it. Now it's just doing the final step, the finishing operation, just the one. I think it will be a good replacement for this piece of crap. That's all. That's all. There. Now I just have to optimize the usage of the end mills. I spent 2 of these cartridges. I still have 2. I have to buy some more. Alright. I think that's... I'm thinking in making some cleaning after I finish this piece. I will disassemble all the machine, everything, and I will clean this very good and make some inspections to see the amount of wear my components are suffering, because it has been working for like 1 year without maintenance. That's just a test. I make all this dirt things on purpose to make tests, so the machine will operate in the worst conditions. Everything is on purpose. All this dirt, it's just to make test, so I can know the wear and everything that happens here. That's very dirt, very dirt. Okay, that's it for today.